Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to set timer for taking photos in your phone camera for iQOO Z9s 5G. First of all, open camera icon, touch on camera icon here and camera will be opened. And if you click on the shutter button, immediately pictures will be taken, pictures will be captured. Okay, suppose if you would like to take some timer, if you would like to delay for about 3 to some seconds, yes, you can do it, so that you can get your subjects ready for taking photo. Okay, so see here, go to this settings icon, and here you will have other option here. Okay, and if you click on 3 seconds, and that means 3s means 3 seconds, so 3 seconds will be the timing for adjusting your subject. Okay, if you would like to get more seconds, you can use 5 seconds or up to 10 seconds you can use. Okay, I keep in 5 seconds and see how it works. Okay, now I am bringing subject. Okay, here. Okay, this is the subject. Okay, so after clicking on shutter button, it will take 5 seconds, and within 5 seconds you can adjust your subject. Okay, see, once again I am doing. Okay, I am adjusting my subject now. Okay, yes, adjusted. Okay, within 5 seconds you can adjust. Okay, otherwise if you need more seconds, and then you can choose 10 seconds. Okay, so you have more time to adjust your subject. Now I keep subject very far to my phone camera, and I clicked on shutter button, and 10 seconds are counting, and I adjust my subject. Okay, yes, see, once again I am doing. I am adjusting my subject. So in this way you can easily, yes, this is the photo that I took. Okay, so in this way you can easily set a timer for taking photos. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.